Okay, now take a step forward. Okay, make a sandwich out of my foot. Okay, all right, so what I'm going to do with Josh is I'm going to measure the difference between the height of his navicular in relaxed calcaneal stance versus subtalar joint neutral. So what you need is a piece of paper and a pen. So what I did is I marked his navicular tubercle, big deal, right? Okay. So now what I'm going to do, Mr. Josh, is I'm going to pull you. I'm going to pull you up into subtalar joint neutral. So let me move this way. Let's bring it up and out, up and out, up and out. Okay. Hold that right there. And then I put my piece of paper here and I draw a line on my piece of paper. Okay, now go ahead and relax.
Whoa, Josh.
And I draw, Jesus. I draw another line. And then I measure.
Your first line was like,
Oh, there it is.
yeah.
White.
It just was
Yeah.
really poorly drawn.
There we go. And I measure the distance between the two. So it's easiest to use a piece of paper and measure this distance. So anything greater than a centimeter is a positive test. So
That's positive.
that'd be positive. It's going to be like a centimeter and a half, maybe. Look how close I am. Oh my God! Look at that. 17 millimeters. So he's like a centimeter and a half difference.